What is going on, everybody? My name is Sergio, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you guys about the best printer that you can buy for screen printing. I'm also going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be doing to my printer to ensure I get the best transparencies possible. The printer I'm talking about is a Canon Pixma IX6820. This thing prints up to 13 by 19 film positive and is under $200. Since this printer is going to be specifically used for printing transparencies, I'm going to be filling up empty cartridges with this UV blocking ink that I got from Screen Print Direct. The whole liter for under $100. Also got the empty cartridges and some syringes to be able to fill the cartridges up. I went ahead and filled and installed the ink cartridges into the printer. I'm going to go ahead and print my first transparency and see how it comes out. I'm also going to be exposing this onto a screen, printing it onto a t-shirt, and giving them away on Instagram. This is how the transparency came out, guys. I'm really happy with the job the printer did. The black opacity is honestly very dark. Also, the blackout UV blocking ink, guys, is a game changer for me. I was able to manage to get finer detail onto my screens. With this design, I went ahead and converted it all into halftones. The reason behind that is because I wanted to print halftones with this new printer, especially with a new UV ink. I wanted to see how much more quality print I can achieve. With that being said, here is how the t-shirt came out. This is how the print came out. Honestly, I really like the halftone look. It looks more like of a retro type feel, and it looks really cool. The two-tone honestly looks really nice. I might have, maybe for the next run, just instead of having a two-tone on the lettering, just have it a full, consistent, vibrant white. But honestly, it kind of looks really cool. Comment down below what you guys think on how it came out. In my opinion, this is honestly the best printer under $200 for screen printing, guys. It prints up to 13 by 19 film transparencies. And also combining it with a full blackout ink system, guys, it gives you the opacity that you need for these film transparencies when exposing. With that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.